So this is a video to help us understand what mean is. Mean is a idea, it's part of one of the big ideas that we have when working with data, is that we can have one number represent a set of numbers, so a group of numbers. So let's say, for example, I have a set of numbers 2, 1, 3, and 6. So there's my set of numbers. What mean does, we calculate mean, and what it does is give us one number to represent this set of data. And the videos below will help us hopefully understand how to go about doing it. So we're going to open up our first one. Here we have a set of data represented by these cubolinks. We have one piece of data, two pieces of data, three pieces of data, and four pieces of data. This data could be the measurement of leaves. So we have one leaf that is 2 centimeters, another leaf that is 1 centimeter, a third leaf that is 3 centimeters, and the fourth leaf measures 6 centimeters. Anyways, it's a set of numbers. And we want to calculate or discover the mean. So what it is it's taking all of the measurements and totaling them, and then sharing them back out to the four pieces of data. So we've totaled them, and then we shared them with the four pieces of data. So now we can have just one number to represent that set of data, and that one number is 3. Okay, now I'm going to take, so that's using the links, so now we're going to take that same problem and we're going to show you how we can calculate it using our math operations. So here we go. So in the previous video, we had these numbers represented by the cubolink. So now we're just working with numbers. So here's my set of numbers, and I want to find the mean for this set of numbers. Now I know that mean is one number that tells a story about this set of numbers. So if you remember, I gathered up all the cubolinks. Well, that gathering and totaling, that's addition. So my first step with this set of numbers is to add them. And if I added those numbers together, I have a total of 12. So I brought them all together. Now, if you remember, the next thing I did with the cubes is then I sorted them back out evenly, equally, to the number of pieces of data I have. So how many pieces of data do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do we do that mathematically? We use division to help us share things equally. So I would take my total, I'm going to do this above here, I'll take my total, and I divide it by the number of pieces of data I had, which was 4. And it will give me the mean. And if you remember from the video, we had 3 as our mean when we shared it all. So hopefully this will help you understand mean.